Put your hands up now! Now!
I have one question.
Alcohol. Meloxicam.
Don't move.
While on routine patrol, an officer spots a car flying past her. But instead of slowing down, the driver stomps on the gas straight through a red light. The pissed off cop hits the gas and starts closing the gap. For a minute, it looks like she actually stopped.
Alright, 5-8, looks like we're stopped.
But inside the car is not an ordinary citizen. It's the 39-year-old Camellia, and she's about to make the best decision of her life. Instead of complying, she floors it. And just like that, a simple stop turns into a full-blown police chase.
They're 76 miles an hour.
I copy 5-8, you are there.
Alright, 5-8, you can be in pursuit. Reckless driver. Speeds are 65 miles an hour. Going northbound, eastbound, on Capitol. Approaching 9-8. Speeds are up to 90 miles an hour, still eastbound on Capitol. Approaching 9-4.
Copy, approaching 9-4 Capitol.
5-8, can you patch me with MPD, please?
Be advised, 5-8, this is Patrick, that plate of Avenue Henry 3580 on a 2003 stage Buick Century.
Hi, copy. This is MCSO. We're going to be in pursuit of a tan Town and Country for reckless driving. Speeds are 80 miles an hour. Eastbound on Capitol. Passing 8-4. No pedestrians. Traffic is light. Road conditions are dry.
PD dispatch, if we can reach out to MPD and see if they can assist us.
Copy.
5-8, I'm still eastbound on Capitol, approaching 7-6. Speeds are 87 miles an hour. No pedestrians. Traffic is light. Eastbound Capitol, passing 7-2.
This is 7-2 Capitol.
Eastbound Capitol, passing 6-8.
Copy, 6-8 Capitol.
Speeds are down to 60 miles an hour here. We're passing 6-5 on Capitol.
Copy, 6-5 Capitol.
Alright, we're going to be slowing down for the red here on 60th.
Copy, 6-0 Capitol, slow down.
Alright, 5-8, we're going to be going northbound on 60th from Capitol. Speeds are 60 miles an hour.
Copy, no, 6-0 from Capitol.
Alright, 5-8, looks like we're going into a residential area here. Going to be going westbound on Hope. Westbound on Hope.
Copy, westbound.
Alright, we're going to be going westbound on 6-2 here from Hope.
Copy, westbound. Hope, 6-0.
Alright, I think she's going to be coming to a stop here soon. Don't know what she's doing.
Copy, so westbound on Hope, 6-2.
Alright, we're going to be going eastbound on 3 Branch now.
Copy, eastbound 3 Branch.
Northbound on 6-1 from 3 Branch.
Copy, 6-1 3 Branch.
Alright, we're going to be going back westbound on Hope here.
Copy, westbound on Hope.
80, I need speeds.
6-5-8.
Right now, 16 miles an hour.
Copy, 16 miles an hour.
we're back southbound on 6-2 here. We're just doing big loops.
Copy 6-2 hope.
What the heck? Gonna be going through an alley between 6-1 and Freeburns.
Copy in the alley 613 Burns. Five eight update.
Alright, we're back on Hope here. 1 second.
Copy back on hope 6-1.
Put your hands up now!
Copy back on hope 6-1.
Put your hands up now! We're being full pursuit. I'm going through the alley between 6-1 and Freeburns.
Copy on hope 2 to the alley 3 Burns.
Put your hands up!
No, don't fucking come.
From Cam.
You're not gonna kill me. Stop!
Turn around now!
I'm not turning around shit.
5-8.
You're not gonna kill me.
I got her on the ground. I'm on an address. I don't have the address though.
Copy, got her on the ground.
I got MPD with me.
You're gonna kill me. I'll touch y'all.
Put your hands behind your back now!
7440, we're going to be in the 4200 block in the alley of 62nd Street.
4200 block of 62nd Street, Burns.
Is there another one?
No, it's just her.
4706 block.
Y'all be trying to kill people.
Put your hand behind
No,
your back.
I'm scared of y'all. Get away
This
from
one is
me.
locked. Hold on. Fuck my knee.
Y'all be killing people. Get away from me.
Don't move.
4200 block of North 62nd Street.
Don't move.
Y'all be killing people.
Copy, but
We're
behind
not gonna hurt you.
Y'all always killing people.
We're not gonna hurt you. Hey, listen. I'm gonna roll you on your side, okay?
Y'all be killing people. Leave me alone. I don't like police out there.
4163.
We're not gonna hurt you. Listen.
They always
I have
kill
one
Listen.
custody.
Listen.
me alone.
Listen.
People always be killing y'all. Y'all be killing people. Every time black people get caught up, y'all be
Listen,
killing
listen.
people.
Listen, I'm gonna set you up, okay? I'm gonna set you up, okay?
Okay.
Okay? I'm not gonna hurt you.
I'm scared.
Come on, you don't have to be scared. Here, come on.
Please, y'all.
Come on, put your legs towards me. And I'm gonna set you up. Your shoe from over there. Okay? I'm gonna pull you up and set you up with me, okay?
Y'all be killing people.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not gonna hurt you, okay? I just want you to be able to breathe.
Okay.
You okay? You okay now?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all
You
be
don't have to be.
killing people. Y'all be
No,
killing
we're not gonna kill anybody.
Every time I'm in West Dallas, so y'all be killing people.
No.
Now, because I want to get away from y'all because people in wherever y'all from be killing
You
people.
want to stand or no? Or you want to stay down? I got you.
5-8 Houston on your
Stay
left.
there.
Transmission.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, I'm sorry.
You need an ambulance?
While the officer was down, clearly in pain, Camellia decided it was a good time to start taunting her.
Cause you feel?
Fuck!
You did a good job.
Stop talking to me.
Oh, she mad.
Please get her away from me.
Please get her away from me. Get my shoes. No, get my shoes.
We're gonna get you.
Okay, get my shoes. Put my socks away, and I don't win under my way.
What squad can we put her in for you guys?
Is this your phone, ma'am?
Yeah, I need some shoes.
Stand by 1 second. I'll see if this is ours. 8-5. Pull down the alley on the west side.
That's your car open?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's just getting wetter.
Yeah, it's gonna be wet. You got your spot open?
Yeah, it is now. Barton, did you search her? Hold on. Okay.
All right, talk to me. What are you thinking?
My fucking knee.
I got you. You want a bus ride for this one? Okay. 47 dispatch. Can you go 3?
Copy 1 to 3.
What'd you do?
The alley 3 break. Hi, copy. Can you confirm the address that you guys are at?
63.
Stand by.
In the alley.
We have another female here.
Put my shoes on my feet.
Don't worry about her shoes.
No, don't worry about my shoes. My feet are wet.
Sounds like a you problem, doesn't it?
It does. All of this is my problem. I can't trust y'all because y'all be killing people.
Ma'am.
Nope. There's nothing in my shoes. I don't want a pneumonia.
You're not gonna get pneumonia for your
Okay,
socks.
look, there's nothing going on. Because that's where it's wet at. They soaking wet.
Dispatch, can you go 3?
Merry Christmas.
And
sorry, let's go to the other side.
Also,
Copy.
Pat her down at least. Before putting her in your scrub. You don't have any weapons on you, right?
No, I'm not a criminal.
Well, I
I mean, maybe tonight. That's because
Have a
time I
seat.
ever seen anybody, people be getting killed
back up,
in
back
West
up, back
Dallas
up,
or wherever
back
I was.
But while Camellia was taking a nice Christmas nap in the car, her boyfriend Wilson, who had been watching everything from a distance, decides to come take a look at what all the fun was about.
Hey, how you doing, sir? You live here?
No, I'm coming to see my girlfriend.
Okay. Is that your car?
No, that's not my car.
Okay. Stand by for me. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Can I get that from you?
Is everything okay? Met my girlfriend.
I don't know who that is right now. So just go take a seat in the car, and I'll be back to talk to you. Okay?
The officer tells him to take a seat in the car, but Wilson has other plans for his Christmas night. So while officers search Camelia's car, Wilson gets the feeling they're not going to like what they find and quietly slips away.
Instant smell of alcohol, open bottle, tequila. Meloxicam and Hydroco. Okay. Well, that's cool.
What is that?
Green tip AR ammo.
Oh.
5.56. There's also a knife. Yep.
It smells like a whole lot of alcohol in here.
Well, yeah, there's an open bottle of tequila right here.
While searching the car, officers realize most of it belongs to Wilson, but by then he's already gone.
It was the dude you were talking on the front lawn to.
But then a neighbor calls them over.
What can I do for you?
front of the house, searching people.
You said what?
Looking for your squad. Saying you just need
Okay.
your squad, but that's something.
Was he black male wearing?
Correct.
And he's been watching what we've got going on.
That's the gentleman?
He's smiling. Definitely thinks something is funny.
I do not know. He should not be down that path.
I gotcha.
I can tell you that.
Let me see if I can go see him real quick. All right?
Okay.
Yeah, this was like 15 minutes ago, maybe.
5
minutes ago. Okay. All right. We'll see if we can't find him. Thank you.
Officers looked around for a couple of minutes, but he had already fled the scene. They already knew who he was, and by the next day, he was brought in for questioning. After everything that just happened, Camellia was facing 3 felony charges, including second-degree recklessly endangering safety, fleeing an officer in a vehicle, and resisting an officer, causing substantial bodily harm or soft tissue injury. But in the end, to our own surprise, every single charge was dismissed. According to court documents, the prosecutor dropped the case for unknown reasons. Now that's what you call a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, girl.